I'm Kevin Doverstein, and I love to share a commissioned piece with you. This hand-carved cube sculpture is crafted from beautiful Western Red Cedar, one of my favorite woods to work with. The natural grain patterns in this piece are truly striking. They flow across the surface like a visual rhythm, adding depth, warmth, and the movement to the overall form. I filmed this on a summer day outdoors where the light brings out the golden tones and the intricate textures of the cedar. It's moments like these where nature and art meet in its most honest way. I feel that way, I guess. For collectors and lovers of organic contemporary sculpture, this piece is a quiet celebration of form, balance, and the raw beauty of wood. Thanks for watching and for supporting handmade art.